Hey guys, today we're gonna be playing Thomas the Slender Engine on Roblox. Okay, look, I don't know why. I just found this game and I really just wanted to play it because I have nothing else to post. And it's just randomly just popped up on my For You page on Roblox. So yeah, today we're just gonna try it. So yeah, let's just see how this game goes. Yes, let me play. What the heck? What is this? Percy's Nightmare, sure. Okay. I'll just pick Classic Jerry, I guess. What the heck is this game, bro? 10 oil cans remaining. Okay, let me play. Oh, this looks nice. Oh, there's a sprint. There's a flashlight. It was a third person mode. Okay, for sure, gotta find some oil cans. Oh, what's up, man? What's up, man? How's it going? I don't think he has voice chat. No, they don't have voice chat. Oh, I'm gonna see what's inside this house. Oh yeah, I forgot. I need oil cans. I think I need oil cans to go inside the house. Where's the oil cans? I can't find a single one. Is there any oil cans? Is it those black things in the tree? I'm so confused. Oh, I think I see one. That looks about it. Oh, 4 oil cans remaining. I mean, oil. Hey, where is everyone? Oh, I guess they're over there. I might as well just join them on the journey. So is there an entity or something? I think I hear one. Oh, what is that? I'll come close up to it. Yo, there's 2 of them? Yo, stop. Oh my god, what is that thing? Yo, somebody help. Yo, guys, help. There's a guy with a knife. That's like a tray head or something. I don't know. Yo, someone else. Someone else. Oh, I survived, I think. Did I survive? I can't turn my camera. I think I survived, though. Okay, that was weird. I'm so confused. I don't know how to play this game. What the heck just happened? Oh. I'll be Red Jerry. Okay, this looks a lot more different. There's no third person. Oh, never mind. Oh, it's just lagging. Okay, this game looks pretty nice. I don't know what that says. I can't speak that language. There's probably an oil can inside the house. And that was bad voice crack. Okay, there's nothing in here. Oh, I see one. Oh, sweet, another one. I'm so good. Oh, I thought that was an enemy. Okay. 1 oil can remaining. This isn't even that hard. Should be an oil can around here, I'm pretty sure. I don't know what that was. That scared me. Oh my goodness. Percy's Nightmare. I want to try that one. Oh, why are you guys? You guys are bums. Is that like the Five Nights at Freddy's map? What is that? Okay, so I'm pretty sure we just pick a map, then, like, try to find oil cans and survive. Classic Jerry. I'm pretty sure that's our main goal or something. Is this the Five Nights at Freddy's map? What is this? It feels so weird in third person. That looks weird. Is like Freddy gonna jump me or something? I'm so confused. How come like an entity didn't spawn last time, but it spawned the first time? This game is very confusing. It's just like a horror game. What is that coming from? What the heck? Yo. What the heck is that sound coming from? I'm scared. I think I just saw it. I'm either going crazy or I just saw it. I'm getting goosebumps, bro. What is this? Yo! What is that? No, chill. No. No, oh my god. What the heck? No! What is this? Yo, what is that? Yo, why is it faster? Yo! Yo, run! Oh, yo, help me out, guys. Yo. What is that? What is that? I thought Freddy was gonna jump me, dude. I don't even know what the heck that thing is. Oh. I have a better question. Where's the oil cans? Why did we have to pick this map? R. Oh, I found it. Okay, where is it? I'm so confused. Where are the oil cans? I'm pretty sure. Oh, found one. The moment I say where's an oil can, I just managed to find one. Yep, found another one. You guys better not lead the monster to me. Oh my god, I bet it's ever found one. I found one. Yo! Okay. Oh. It scared me, okay. Spencer's Workshop. Oh yeah, I forgot it keeps making me rejoin a game for some reason. I can only pick the red one. Or I'm just lagging like the moment I spawn in. Yeah, I think it might be lag. Yeah, it's definitely lag. This game doesn't look that scary. This one was less scary as the last one. What is that? What is that? Yo. What is that? Yo, run! Run! Don't lead him to me! What is that? No, I'm running. No, No, screw this. I'm finding a place to stay in. Yep, I'm jumping in a tank. Yeah, there's no way you can find me. I should be. What? Yo! No! I thought I would be safe in there, but these bombs just decided to lead him to me for no reason. Yeah, I don't know where these people are finding their oil cans from. They just randomly appear right in front of their hands. I'm very confused. Okay, well, this is very weird. I don't know how they're able to find it. I can't find a single one. Shouldn't go back to the house where I can stay safe. So now I'm lost and I can't find them. What's over there? Oh, there's another tank. Cool. Okay, well, since somebody's already gonna find them, I might as well just, like, hide myself in a tank. This time I'm hiding myself in this one, so I'm much more safer. See, even this one has, like, bullets, so I should definitely be able to survive. I'll just fight against them. I'll just go pew, pew, and then I'll win. I'm getting goosebumps for this game, bro. For no reason, bro. I bet this game isn't even that scary. I got an award. It's like pouring water into the ocean. I already have so much badges. Okay, I'm gonna join a different lobby. Okay, I think I'm in a different server. The Apocalypse Wasteland. That one looks nice. Okay, I'm gonna be classic Gray Jerry. No, classic Jerry Gray. Am I in Area 51? Oh, what the heck? What just happened? I was in Area 51. Strange. Where am I now? Let's find out. Whoa. So yeah, you get all the oil cans, you win. You just gotta survive the monsters. It's a pretty easy task. Oh, I found another oil can. See, this game is pretty easy. Another oil can. Nice. Yo! What is that? Yo, nope, not my problem, not my problem. That's your problem now. Red Jerry. I'm going somewhere else. Yum. 11 oil cans remaining. That's pretty good. Oh my god, these voice cracks. Yo, relax a second, man. Yo, somebody help me out. Nope, I'm not doing this. I am not doing this. This third person isn't even that good. Oh! Yo! No! If only this man helped me out. Now he's being chased by one of them, I'm pretty sure. Okay, 12 out of 20 isn't even that bad. I should get a few more. Okay, this might take a while. Oh, never mind. The second I want oil cans, I just automatically get it. Okay, maybe I just need to check the houses again. Yo! Okay. There's nothing in here. There's nothing I can see. Okay, well, we just need 2 more oil cans at least. That's not too bad. Oh, no, you don't lead them to me. Stop being a bum. You don't do that. You don't do that. Stop, you don't do that. No, stop. You don't do that, and you don't lead them to me. No. Oh, wait a minute. Nope, I'm gonna climb up that tree. Watch me. Yo, this is gonna be the smartest move ever. Yeah, I can't catch me now. Okay, so apparently I guess they can climb up trees. I didn't know that. Oh, 1 oil can remaining. That's pretty good. Oh, man, I wish we could just find an oil can at this very moment, man. Like, that'd be so nice if we just somehow managed to find it. Like, that would just be so excellent. Oh my god. Yep. The moment when I say it, we just find it. Yep. I'm the most intelligent man on this planet. Okay, guys. I think I'm gonna end the video here. Please like and subscribe. Yeah, peace out.